If your audio peaks look like this, it's really difficult for you to actually edit that. And this is like, it could be worse. If you increase the volume in the audio mixer or clip mixer, whatever, it's not gonna help you. So what you're gonna do, oh my God, you're going to kiss my feet for that. Incredibly easy fix. You click on that clip or even select as many clips as you want at the same time, but basically just select the ones that are very little audio peaks. Hit G on the keyboard, or you can right click if you want to be old school. Right click audio gain, the shortcut G. What's up G? Hit G, set gain to, or adjust gain by, right? You can do this over and over again until you're happy. Well, this needs quite a big boost, so I can adjust gain by, let's say, 12 decibels. Oh, that's better. Okay. Let me do one more. And I'm not gonna do 12 again. I'm gonna add more, right? So I can do now like 4 and see, oh, okay, that's great. And then of course I have my volume levels here. I can look at the audio track mixer and then I'm gonna limit it so I can boost the gain and then limit just to make sure our viewers don't go deaf. I also have video on that. You can watch it. If this is still not enough, again, hit G, add 3 more. That's great, that's big, and I'm happy. If you want to speed up your workflow in Premiere Pro, I've put together the simplest, easiest to follow Premiere Pro guide. You can find it in the description of this video.